Hey YouTube, Tina here. I'm here to launch off my project for the Spring Hop 2017 here on the YT, hosted by Snap Diva One. Hey girl, I'm so excited that she reached out to me and asked me to be a part of this hop, and I'm excited to show you all what I have created. There are 10 ladies that will be participating in this hop. All 10 ladies will be in the description box along with the link to their channel. You could go over and watch their video and see what they decided to create for spring. And there are 10 opportunities for you to win a $20 gift card donated by Spellbinders. In order to be considered for the drawing for the gift cards, you must visit all 10 ladies' channels, watch the Spring Hop 2017 video, leave a comment, and be a subscriber to all of the channels. Again, you must visit all of the ladies' channels and watch the Spring Hop 2017 video, leave a comment, and you must be a subscriber to all 10 channels. All right, I want to show you what I have used to create my project for this hop. As you see right here, these are the items, and I'm going to run through them very quickly. I use this Anna Griffin feather die, a Whimsy Hello stamp, a Spellbinders die. I also use this Sizzix Biggs mini file folder die, along with the Sizzix mason jar. No, it's called canning jars die. I use those two. Love those dies. I use these two laces. Got these from Joann's. Michael's $1.50 bin. I use this die set Angie Tangerine that I got from Tuesday morning a while back. Use this little bee die tag set. I use this Inspire Bicycle by Spellbinders. I use Graphic 45 stamp set, creative stamp set. I use the Spellbinders Garden Bench die. And finally, I use the number 10 size manila tags. All right, let's dive in and let me show you what I have created. Ta-da! What do you think? I decided to create a loaded tag, a spring theme loaded tag. You all, I love, love, love how it turned out. So I took a tag, I took some paper that I got from Joann's. I think I got this last year out the individual sheet section. Okay, this paper is actually coordinations. All right, and it came in the same color but different designs, polka dots. You can see this is stripes. Love, love, love. So I took a tag and I took some cereal box. I matted the tag on top of, adhered the tag on top of the cereal box, and then I adhered this back piece of coordinations cardstock on the back. Then I adhered the mini file folders. I took the 3 mini file folders, and what I did was I pulled out my sewing machine and I sewed the mini file folders together on the sides. If you can see that. You can see it good over here. All right, I sewed that together and made it one piece. And then I adhered the one piece on top of the tag and the cereal box. And then that gave me 3 pockets. So in the pockets, I started down here on the first pocket, and I pulled out some feathers, some flowers, and I love this little piece right here. This is out of my embellishment stash, and I just layered them on top of each other. I took that Whimsy Hello die, And I cut it out with some yellow cardstock and adhered it there. All right, so what I did was I took that Angie Tangerine scissors, cut them out, and then I used that Graphic 45 stamp and stamped a piece of cardstock and fussy cut out Create and its definition. I adhered that together to make an embellishment piece. And then I cut out some bicycles because that's always a reminder of spring going into summer. I used the Spellbinders die right here. I cut out that cardstock. I inked it all with Tim Holtz Mustard Seed Distress ink. The entire project is distressed in that ink. All right, so I made toppers with that little Spellbinders piece. I put some feathers and another one of the little flowers that went with this collection. Okay. Then I did another embellishment bag with the garden bench. I put some of those in this bag and I did the same thing. All right. I had some yellow tickets. I thought that would go really nice. That's another embellishment. All right, and here are the Anna Griffin feathers. I cut those off with the same Coordinations paper and inked it again with that mustard seed ink. Beautiful. I love how those turned out. And so as you can see, the last embellishment on this first envelope, first file folder, is this little sun right here. This is a paper clip. I clipped that there. And as you can see, you have the first file folder. So there's the first file folder. Okay, we'll go to the next file folder. What I did was I made 3 mason jars, or they're called cannon jars, out of the Cannon Jar Sizzix die. I used some of that twine and wrapped around some gold metallic paper. I inked the little label spot. I inked the entire jar. And on these jars, on the back is where I will probably put my currently and stuff like that. Or I could leave them blank and they could just be embellishments. All right. Then we have our third feather. So those 3 feathers in all. And here you can see the second file folder. So nice. So beautiful. Let's go to the third and final file pocket. We have another paper clip heart. Yellow. And then I took from the Little Bees tag set and I created these 3 tags out of the paper and I inked them all up. I put some ribbon at the top. I thought those came out really nice. All right, and as you can see, you have 3 file folders. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. At the top, I simply put some of the yellow trim at the top and I adhered this butterfly. So after you use all the embellishments, you can hang this as a hanging piece and use these as pockets to put whatever you want in them. Because as you can see, it's a beautiful piece even after the things are removed out of the pockets. So again, this is my take on a stuffed tag with a hanging element right there. And so basically all of these items that I put in here are embellishments. All right, so you know I could not just make one because you have to make all things in what? Purple. So yes, this is the purple version. So I won't take this purple version out because it's the same exact items in this one as it is in the yellow one. The only difference is I did not make the feathers. I decided to use the eyelash trim and go with that look instead of the feathers. But basically everything else is the same. We have tags, we have cannon jars, the same. And one last thing that I did add in this is a postcard. Okay? But everything else is the same. So these are my two projects for this spring 2017 hop. Thanks again, Snap Diva 1, for inviting me and asking me to be a part. I hope you all enjoy what I created. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me, have you ever made a stuffed envelope? Have you ever made a stuffed bag? Have you ever made, or should I not say stuffed, loaded? Have you ever made a loaded envelope? Have you ever made a loaded bag? And here is my take on a loaded tag. Leave it down in the description box and tell me if you've created those things, what you like about them, what you do not like about them, and tell me, yeah, which color you like best, the purple or the yellow. All right, make sure you go and visit all of the ladies in this hop. It's 10 of us. Show us some love. Let us know what you think about our creations. And stay tuned for a winner for today's Spring Hop 2017. More to come. Until next time, you all be blessed. Keep creating.